crisis after crisis, we see the rise of new business models, new concepts, even in one of the oldest traditions, which is producing bread. Step by step, our job is evolving, and mostly for the better. New tools can sustain it, like the park-baked products or the connecting ovens that perfectly bake bread without needing bakers' expertise. All those technologies can help facing crises by making bakers more agile. Mr. Depierre brings us some insights about the evolution of baker's job.
Indeed, with the global inflation, we must find solutions to help bakers needing a new shape to their job, so that they can gain in agility, flexibility towards new challenges. To face the cost and availability issues of energy, ingredients and manpower, we support them through the choice of more performant ingredients from yeast to improvers, the evolution of their processes or the training of their teams on specific techniques.
Thank you for watching and see you soon to decipher more trends.